Today we're making keto pound cake. We're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients together. So I have 1 tablespoon of acacia fiber. And then I'm going to go ahead and weigh my coconut flour. I love weighing coconut flour because there's less dishes. All right, so I have 3.5 ounces of coconut flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, just 1/2 a cup of Lakanto's powdered monk fruit sweetener, and then I'm going to use 1/2 a cup of Bocas wheat. I'll go ahead and stir this to completely combine it. But I'm going to set this aside and pull in a larger mixing bowl to mix everything together. We'll start with 3 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream, 1/2 of a teaspoon of butter flavoring, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick blend. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my dry ingredients. This is just a standard size loaf pan. You can also break this up into smaller mini loaf pans if you wish. I'll make about 3 of those. Now we're going to bake in a preheated 325-degree oven